panyin ya wada page isu na ya Asante Kotoko mre nimni no na lawyer ai Kabiru ya u follow Broni ne daddy Lumba ne u follow da on Broni lawyer no Broni lawyer na yeah it is say case be court or as an injunction application be don koye no me ya me checking information go flashing am say man oni am pa no Broni lawyer am ya pan
yes sir
papa unim say oko Ghana Institute of Journalism after say no year ni first degree University of Ghana Legon and then we reading the first master's degree
okay
or attended GIJ Ghana Institute of Journalism.
Wow.
Na hono okusua communication. Board no enyansem no. Lawyer Alex Kofi Oseuzu. In the interim he's going to be Asante Kotoko communications director in the interim. On never be Asante Kotoko communications director. So be communications director na dia kwa chire menim. But for now there Oye Kotoko corporate and legal affairs emrasam unsa 3 board members no the panyo bia no emre ni ni and Kotoko appoint emre ni ni yes here
yeah
enti ye kasa sisi ai there opanya ne tin ate Alex Kofi Osei Owusu obaya Asante Kotoko emre ni ene kasamafu normally yana club issue statement yeah still yeah the media want to speak to the person who uttered the statement because English language of Japan you bet my trust matter your understanding and my understanding of the same sentence may be different until I now question now sign nipa na or there something by that kwa kodi nkomo and nano statement about me interpreters say Joshua the executive chairman of the club no
yeah
say obi won the customer Kotoko anke bebusa no say aha no panyini famoni so ananse ozo da bi sa na tie wo za confirm ansem no ansem for enti panyini anabuja panyi wonum no abadabelidi Asante Kotoko communication legal affairs for now
wow